Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by ensuring the mobile number you want to link is active on the device. Phonepe verifies via SMS to that SIM. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi or mobile data so OTPs arrive quickly and app actions don't fail. Open Phonepe and sign in with your account. If you're already signed in, go straight to the profile section. This initial step sets up verification flow and prevents delays. Make sure notifications and SMS permissions are enabled for the app before proceeding. Next, navigate to Profile, then Settings, and choose Manage Mobile Number. This is where linking happens. Tap Change or Add Number and carefully enter the exact mobile number you want to link. After entering it, approve SMS permissions so Phonepe can auto-read the OTP. If auto-read is blocked, request the OTP and type it manually. You'll see a progress indicator while verification runs. This step uses OTP to confirm ownership, so accurate input and permissions matter for a smooth link. Finally, enter the OTP or allow Phonepe to auto-read it. Once verified, you'll receive a confirmation that the mobile number is linked. After success, make sure your UPI profile and bank details display the new number where required. Then test a small transaction or check bank link status to confirm. If something goes wrong, slow OTP, no SMS, or verification failure, retry the OTP, toggle airplane mode to refresh network. Verify SMS center settings with your carrier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.